Cratejoy Reviews, and today we're here unboxing Ipsy. Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription box if you've never heard of it. It's kind of one of the industry leaders in that field. It is one of my very first subscription boxes and love it so much. This is $12 a month for their Glam Bag. You do get to kind of customize. You'll fill out a little survey when you sign up, and then every month you get 5 samples, sometimes a full size, travel size, all those things in this bag from Ipsy. FYI, Ipsy does send this to me for review purposes before we get in here. However, there's no affiliate links. This is not like a paid anything like that. They just send it to me. I get the bag. I do love Ipsy. They do have other subscriptions. You know, this is kind of like their base, like the Old Navy, and then you can Gap, Banana Republic. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I don't know the theme this month. It's in my other box. I do both the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. But there's like a rainbow here. I'm guessing maybe it's for the LGBTQ because I think that's this month. And there we go. It says have fun, love. You got the rainbow, you got a lipstick, you got a peace sign, all that good stuff. So we're going to get in here. And first up we have the Tartist. This is the Lash Paint Mascara. Since it is mascara, I'm not going to open this because I like to keep these for when I need them. If I open it now, the other 10 that I'm using, I'll have to add it to them and then it'll dry out. Oh, I'll be so sad. So it's a really cute little sample. These are actually great because you can use them up before they actually dry out, which is really nice. I can't go through them that fast. All right. Next up, we have the ABH Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Crush. For some reason, I feel like I have this. And I got it recently, but I may be wrong. I don't know much. All right, if I can open it. All right. I do have one of their glitter lip glosses, I think. I don't know. So here it is. It's a very, very pretty light pink color. This is like my wheelhouse. I love this kind of... Oh, look at that applicator's little. Just small. I love that. Isn't that summery? It doesn't look like it in here. But it has like a brightness, like it's a muted color, but it does have like a pop. Like it looks great with tans, like I'm getting tan. Yeah, I'm getting tan. It looks good on tan. It's got a little slam. Hopefully I don't have to be wearing my mask soon. And Pennsylvania, June 28th, just saying, excited. And people can see my lip color. Anyway, all right, moving along here. Next up, we have the Dermatologist Choice pH Balance Cleanser. Remove and refresh with glycolic acid, or AHA. So this is a sample size Dermatologist Choice. That's a new to me brand. I'm always open to trying new skin cleansers, and this looks like it's going to be pretty good. So I'll try that out. All right. All right, we have a liquid liner. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. This is their Eternal Eyeliner. Let's open it up. It's got one of those cone, pyramid, whatever you want to call it. Just throw the trash on my floor because my maid will come and clean it up. That's me. All right, so let's open it up. I don't have many liquid liners open right now, so let's just, there it is. It's a little point. We'll see how that dries down by the end of the video. It's very like more watery. So this is, I also didn't shake it though. So shame on me, right? We'll see if it dries down like matte or glossy, or you know what I'm saying. All right. So our final item in here is from Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. This is their Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. This is 1 ounce. Massage product into your hair and scalp after repair shampoo. Leave in for 5 minutes. Rinse. So there, it's a mask for your hair. So I'm into that. I actually could use stuff like this because my hair is so dry, and it's so like now you're younger, your hair's so full and thick, and as you get older, at least for me, it's just thinning. It's just it's like brittle. I don't know. Like, I don't know why my body's betraying me the way it does, but anyway, I can use something like this. So that's nice to have received. So for your $12 spend, you get a hair care product. You get a skincare product in the cleanser. You get an eyeliner and a mascara and a lipstick. That seems like a very well-rounded bag, right? Am I right? I like that. All right, so the lipstick dries down totally matte. I forget if it had a smell. And then this is looking like it's going to dry down like demi matte. It's going to have like a little bit of a shine, but not much because it's mostly dry now. So there's that. Not bad for $12, right? I will link down below to Ipsy. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.